Welcome back to Tutorials by David. Today I'll show you how to set up Klarna for your online store in 2026. First, go to the Klarna for Business website and create a merchant account. You'll need your business details, website URL, and basic verification to get approved. Once you're inside the dashboard, choose how you want to integrate Klarna. If you're using platforms like Shopify, Ecommerce, or Wix, just install the Klarna plugin or payment app from your store's app marketplace. After installation, connect it to your Klarna merchant account using your API keys or login credentials. Then enable Klarna payment options like Pay Now, Pay Later, or Installments. Next, run a test transaction to make sure everything works smoothly at checkout. Once confirmed, switch from test mode to live mode, and your store is ready to accept Klarna payments. And that's it. Your Klarna setup is complete.